Next question is, maybe we can put them together, 2 points. Why there's no unity in Islam, but different directions and opinions, and why God is allowing so many religions to be existing in the world. What is it?
According to the Holy Quran, all religions found in the world today began with the prophets who were raised by Allah. But gradually, as the people, their followers, moved away from the purity of the prophet's faith, they became corrupted with the passage of time. You build any beautiful building and gradually it becomes, destroyed in so many ways until it becomes just ruins. So it happens with the religions as well. To begin with, all religions are pure, but at the end, when they move away from the time of the original prophets, they become ruinous. So this is a fate which we must face, and we must try to rebuild the fallen old buildings into new, beautiful buildings. This is an effort which is going on, and we are trying the same thing. We, for instance, are trying the same thing to the beautiful building of Islam. It was so lovely when Rasulullah ﷺ worked on it, and now it has become ruinous. So we are trying to build the same glory of Islam through its from its rudimentary level to make it a skyscraper in the end, inshallah.